So you might be asking yourself, yo, Dose, what is going on? I thought we were in an altcoin season. Is everything pumping? It doesn't matter if you're holding Lunk, Ethereum, Cadena, Veracity, Pepe, Gala Games. It doesn't matter if you're holding any of these tokens. Obviously, right now, Bitcoin is dumping. Bitcoin is king. And you might be wondering yourself right now, Dose, what is going on? Should I hold? Should I short? Should I leverage? Should I long? Is this a good buy opportunity? Well, obviously, this is just a correction. Okay, the whole market has been pumping. We had a beautiful closure on the weekly time frame. We're gonna get to that in just a second. But if you guys are interested in pretty much, joining the Discord, the community, a lot of people don't have anyone to essentially talk crypto about. They might be worried. They might paper sell or panic sell, I guess you should say, paper hand, and pretty much just sell, and they really don't know where anything is going. They're like, okay, I'm not gonna get into this. I'm losing way too much money. If you guys do want to essentially talk, I did build a Discord right here. You could talk about trading, general chat, meme, if you want to talk about certain memes, if you want to talk about sports, if you want to just talk about anything in general. Obviously, I do have a general chat for that as well. So make sure you guys click on the link description below, because I know right now times are tough, especially when the crypto bubble right now is currently red and people tend to panic. Like right now, people on my Discord are like, yo, Dose, what is going on? What is going on? Everyone's panicking. And I'm here to answer you guys' questions. So obviously, I'm here to help. And, I've been in this market since 2016, like close to 9 years now. So if you guys do want to join my Discord, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. And we're going to be talking about a few things. Okay. So we're going to be talking right now about Ethereum, Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about the Bitcoin dominance, and we're essentially going to be talking about an altcoin season. Okay, we're going to be talking about all these three, but before that, if you guys do like these videos and want to see more crypto updates, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So having a look right here at Ethereum, first of all, in order for us to pretty much have an altcoin season, we need to see Ethereum go up. Okay, but before that, we also need to see the Bitcoin dominance go down. But if we have a look right here at Ethereum, like I said, guys, it doesn't matter if you're holding KDA, VRA, any of your favorite altcoins. Okay, you need to watch this video, because this will be tailored to you. And you could see right here that Ethereum obviously keeps on bouncing off the 50 moving average, which is obviously a bullish pattern. Now we know when Ethereum does run, all the coins, especially ERC20 tokens, or coins such as Pepe, or it doesn't matter what coins that are built on Ethereum, will pretty much rebound. And the big question is Ethereum rebounding after finally having a beautiful closure on the weekly time frame? Now, of course, this correction was what's going to happen, right? You guys know that. I mean, corrections are very, very healthy, but you guys can see every time we do have these corrections, we usually tend to go up. We usually tend to have a nice little reversal. So things are looking good. You have to look at the bigger and better picture and the more positive picture rather than the negative picture, because I know a lot of people right now are like, you know what, altcoin season over. Right now, if we have a look at the altcoin season index, it's below 71. It's over. I mean, that's it. We're not in an altcoin season anymore, as you guys can see. And in order for us to be in an altcoin season, we need to be above 75. That's not necessarily true. Let's slow down a little bit. Okay, we're literally still in a full-on bear market. Bitcoin barely moved. And we know historically, by the way, guys, when Bitcoin does go down, altcoins tend to get a little bit shaky. But this is where we get to thing number two. What is going on with Bitcoin? What is happening? Where is Bitcoin going? And we know Bitcoin's king, right? We know when Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down. So we could see right here, obviously, that Bitcoin, I'm looking for a consolidation. People who are invested in altcoins, they're looking for a consolidation on Bitcoin. Okay, this is when you're going to see the massive altcoin season. So we're waiting for Bitcoin to find bottom. Now, can this be the local floor per Bitcoin? Okay, we need to see Bitcoin, not dump, not pump, but we need to see Bitcoin, stay still. Okay, it can't be dumping. Okay, and we could see right here that Bitcoin, it looks like it's found its support level at the VPVR volume profile. You guys can see right here, this is the VPVR right here, looking pretty good. It looks like it found its support right here. We do have some resistance, as you guys can see right here. So obviously Bitcoin keeps getting rejected at these resistance. And the big question is, will Bitcoin hold this area? And are we going to make a move to the upside, or will Bitcoin pretty much come down and pretty much break that and retest $95,000? Because $95,000, guys, is also a very, very important and crucial support level. You guys can see right here, we did wick all the way to $95,000. We had a nice little rebound at $95,000 right here. The volume profile is a second most volume traded at $95,000. So obviously the second point of control would be around this area. And pretty much that's about it. So obviously very, very interesting. We're gonna have to slow down a little bit. Bitcoin's looking good. You guys can see right here, Pepe is down. It looks like it's about to rebound from a double bottom right here. A lot of your favorite call altcoins, KDA is down. It's okay. Correction. KDA has been flying. Solana's down. A lot of these altcoins are down. Nothing to worry about. But this is where we go in on the second thing. Bitcoin dominance. When is the Bitcoin dominance actually going to get smacked down? We know that historically, ever since 2023, January 2023, so that's like close to 2 years now, Bitcoin dominance has always been above these exponential moving average, and right now we're finally coming below it. And Bitcoin right now is really fighting the Bitcoin bulls. People who hate altcoins are trying to go all in on Bitcoin right now, and they're trying to get this dominance back up because they want the dominance to keep being on Bitcoin. They don't want to see money flowing into altcoins. They're altcoin haters. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. If the Bitcoin dominance on the weekly can manage to come down right here on the weekly, this is gonna be very bullish. Not only for altcoins, but for Ethereum, for Pepe, for Cadena, for your favorite altcoins that you're holding. So that's what's happening right here. And of course, going into the altcoin season. Okay, first of all, I don't really like to look at the altcoin season. What I like to look at is the altcoin year. Okay, this is really what I like to look at. And you guys can see right here, if you actually zoom in, this thing is still going up. Okay, yeah, we have a little correction. It's completely normal. We have corrections all the time. Look, when we had the previous altcoin season, look, we went up, we had a bunch of corrections going down. I mean, it wasn't just a straight line, right? This is also not a straight line. You see there's a bunch of corrections as you go up. This one also, this was a pretty big one in 2021. So obviously from 2020 to 2021, we had 3 altcoin season or altcoin year period. And pretty much that's about it. So that's what's happening right now. This is just a little bump. I wouldn't be surprised if we start flipping, maybe not tomorrow, but Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. I wouldn't be surprised. And guys, I wouldn't even be surprised if we end up closing the weekly in green. Okay, I would not be surprised. So like I said, guys, if you're interested in joining my Discord, I mean, I have a trading chat, we have a community chat, we have everything. If you don't want to be alone, the Discord link is in the description below. If you guys do like this video, of course, I would really appreciate it if you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in